Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add people to your documents, either a document or a spreadsheet on the Quip application so that they can have access to it, they can edit it or leave a comment. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the home button down below and click on the all files option. Then you should select a folder and then a document that you have created and that you want to share with others. Tap on this button in the upper right corner of the screen. Here in the sharing section you can add people to your document, so search by name or by email address, then tap on the relevant ones from your contact. But you can also turn on the link sharing, meaning that anyone with access of this link can view and edit your document. So here you can copy it, and if you tap on it you are able to forward it via airdrop, messages, messenger and other social networking sites. If you tap on the settings icon next to it, you can also select whether those people who have this link can only view and edit it, only view it, or request access to it. So if it requires request access, then tap on it. If you want the possessors of the link to only view it, then tap on the view button. If you allow them to view it and also edit it, tap on the first button. After that, click on the done button at the top of the screen, and basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.